Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to calculate mean, median, and mode values using Python. So first step, we need to go to our class Blackboard and download under 1.5 measures of central tendency, find 5 serial data. Click on these three dots to download it, and then scroll down and find the Python file 5 underscore central tendency underscore code, three dots, download original file. Perfect. Now I can go to Google Colab and make sure before you go to Google Colab, make sure you just logged in or signed in to your Gmail account. So I just search in my browser Google Colab and then click on the welcome page. And then here I will upload the file by clicking on browse, the file that we should first of all download it from the Blackboard. And I downloaded here and it's in my downloads and I open that file. It takes a little bit of time. Then click on this little folder button and we need to upload CSV file as well. Upload and then click on this data file, click OK. So now first we need to import a library called pandas and we will abbreviate that the library as PD to clean, analyze and manipulate the data. And then second step, we would like to load CSV file using this .read CSV function and make sure that the file name, CSV file name matches exactly the same. And we store that in a variable called data frame. Now we will initialize an empty dictionary. This is mutable, that means it can change to store the data. So we create a empty dictionary. Right here, we will iterate through each column. Don't worry about the code to details because I just want you to be able to use it. You don't need to understand every single details. So we will go through every single column in this data frame that we create in the spreadsheet basically. And we will try to calculate mean value, which is average value by applying average function to those columns. But if the columns are not numbers, we would just skip those columns. And then we'll do the same thing, calculate median values by using median function. But again, if those numbers are not, that if those column values are not numbers, then we will just skip. And also we will find the mode values by counting all those existence of the strings, and don't worry about details here. And then if it doesn't apply the mode values, then you can just skip. That's what it says. And then we'll get the results in terms of mean, median, and mode based on those values that we just calculated. So let's run this code. Okay. Now what we would like to do is we create a summary statistics and use data frame and get the results that we calculate here and get those values basically and build to transpose so that the table looks like this. Okay, where we have columns instead of here, columns in my rows, a mean of that column, median of that column, and mode of that column. So you can see the name, the most common name is 100% brand, and most common manufacturer is Kellogg's. And you see these are none because these are not quantitative values. So that's why we could not calculate mean and median. And type is, again, we could not calculate mean and median, but most common type is cold. And you see the averages here. And again, you can see the some of the medians are here. And you can see the modes right here. That's it for this video. Until next video, enjoy business analytics.